Hi students, this is our video number 2 on partial fractions. So make sure you've watched video 1 before you watch this. Our learning goals for this video are to know and understand the 3 cases. Now remember, we're dealing with just polynomials of degree 1 and degree 2, so that's linear and quadratic functions. So what we're going to look at are the 3 cases you'll be expected to know, and basically I'll be looking at the general form. The video after this will actually look at specific examples of this. And just remember, one of the main purposes of this is it's an important technique of integration for calculus. Okay, so case number 1 is where we have the following. Okay, so for distinct linear factors, we have this form here, and so for every linear factor in the denominator there'll be a partial fraction of the form a over ax plus b available to that. So that's your first form, distinct linear factors. The second form is the repeated linear factors. We can see here the repeated factor of x plus c. The third form, or the third case, is irreducible quadratics. Okay, for this one here, each irreducible quadratic in the denominator, like that one there, and by the way, irreducible means there's no solutions in the real number system. Okay, so it might have complex factors or whatever, but there's no roots in the real number system or over R. So that's called an irreducible quadratic there. And so that will take that form there where you have for each irreducible quadratic in the denominator, there will be a partial fraction of this form here in the answer. So we might call that, so we're not repeating characters, dx plus c over ax squared plus bx plus c. So that brings us to the end of this video. The next video we'll be looking at examples of each of the cases, starting from case 1 through to case 3, and then soon after that we'll look at the integration. Thanks very much.